live.
What's up, Shadow Twerkers?
It's Tight. I'm back with another bi-weekly video.
So this video
is going to Libra, Sun, Rising,
for what I say,
like April 1st, 14th, 15th, something like that. So
yeah, if you're new to the channel, my name's
I'm
Ty.
here
We're
creating
tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, music. If you're interested in any of those things, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. So let's get into it. What's up with Libra? Let's see what's going on. Oh, nice. 1 week. Who else got? I want to say Sag and Aries. I want to say. Anyways, so y'all have to check. Let me know what happens in a week, or what happened a week ago. And then we have 6 to 9 months. I feel like there's a focus on like something turning around quickly, or something happening quickly, but it just feels like planting a seed that takes a week. So maybe someone comes with an idea, or you come to someone with an idea, and work on it for 6 to 9 months, for 6 to 9 months, or dang, last year is significant too. Like you're really focused on Libra. Didn't you do this last 2 weeks ago? Was it? I did y'all's I swear y'all had like centuries and something like. You're really focused on time. And then I apologize. Forgive me. Waste of time. Wow. Okay, so I apologize. Forgive me. Came out, and then waste of time is at the bottom of the deck. What the time in the trash can. I know you see it. So I feel like. Oh no, Libra. And then loser behind that. So I'm gonna put that with I apologize. Forgive me. So I feel like either you were expecting something from someone to happen quickly, and it ends up taking 6 to 9 months. And you feel like you're wasting, or they feel like they wasted their time, and someone is just like wanting forgiveness, or wanting to be back in good graces, or wanting to try to get Sir. Pardon. Anyway. Okay, someone is wanting to be back in good graces because they've wasted time, or because they wasted time. Somebody wasted a lot of time. Is what it feels like. And I feel like they wasted a lot of time because they felt like a loser. Underneath wasting the time, they felt like a loser. Or you feel like a loser. And you're wanting to be forgiven. Or someone is asking for your forgiveness, Libra, for wasting time, or for not doing something, or taking a long time, like just something about a lot about time. You're real. Bless you. So 1 week. Cards. 1 week. For Libra. Sun, moon, rising. Oh my gosh. All right, we have the 10 of Cups. Nice. The Wheel of Fortune and the Knight of Swords. And then the 2 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, I feel like you're really happy going into something, or working with this Knight of Swords energy. You feel like with this energy is kind of charging you, or coming at you with this idea, or coming at you with this thought, or maybe this is you. This going to someone with this thought, and you're like, I have a great feeling about this. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be great for everybody. Like it's gonna work. So this happens in a week, or it takes for this to occur, or it takes a week to think about it. But Dang, I just saw 10. So this is the 10 of cups, and I didn't know that the Wheel of Fortune is the card in the major arcana. See that? The 10. So I feel like the 10s being here, I feel like something is being completed, or something is being initiated and completed. So I'm feeling contracts or I'm feeling contracts because this loser card. Wow, overnight is behind that. Let me stop digging. But yeah, with this loser card. Excuse me, it's a money card. So I feel like someone is feeling loser and like they wasted time in regards to finances or this business or this project, whatever this is. Let's see. What's 9 months for Libra? Six to nine months for Libra. Too many cards. I feel like there's a lot that needs to be done. Wow. Okay. There's a lot that needs to be done. Wow. Okay. So for 6 to 9 months, I feel like this is past energy and then kind of going on now. I feel like we're in the 6 to 9 months is what I'm saying. So we have the 10 of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, right? So with this 10 of Swords and Ace of Pentacles coming out together, the Lovers kind of came out a little bit on its own, but with these two cards, I feel like something was really overwhelming. Either you were overwhelmed, or whoever you were working with or was overwhelmed, or both of you. Probably both of you because we usually mirror each other. So this opportunity was not had because people were being overwhelmed, or people were being stressed out, or feeling like losers, like you, your partner, you, your team, you, your spouse, or your significant other, or your friends, but like people deep down, I feel like under the surface or under the busy work, I feel like busy work is a waste of time. You're wasting your time not working on this new opportunity that you thought of or you created, and which basically turned to killing you, like not literally, but like mentally, spiritually, feeling dead, feeling defeated. So I feel like you're in this energy. Either you're in this energy or you're coming out of this energy. And because it's lovers, so with the lovers, I'm feeling again this partnership. These people coming together and divinely guided to come together to create something for the world. Like it just feels like it's for the world. And now the world doesn't have that because of this lack of exchange, or this lack of communication, or this lack of creating this contract, or going back and forth, or negotiating, or working something out. I feel like working the logistics of something out. Working these ideas out because I feel like you and your partner have a rush of ideas, a rush of. I just keep hearing ideas, and they're all great ideas. Like the Wheel of Fortune, which is luck, and then the 10 of Cups, which is extreme happiness. So you and your partner, or you and your whatever, okay, are needing to exchange ideas or to balance things out. I feel like y'all not seeing no results, or you're feeling defeated, or you're feeling kind of drained. You're feeling kind of drained. There's no exchange. Like you're not talking, or you're not sharing what you're doing. Or they're not sharing what they're doing with you. There's like a disconnect in an exchange. I feel like do something for Libra, like implement something where you do it for a week and see if it works out for you and your partner, or you and your team. Or I feel like you do something, or you have this new idea where you implement it, and then you and your partner, you and your team, you and your spouse, you see immediate results, or you see something happening. apologize. Forgive me. I feel like something has taken a lot of time, but I feel like it was worth the wait. I'm feeling like something is worth the wait. Then we have death. Death in reverse. For I apologize. Forgive me. So I feel like a situation is transformed, or someone has transformed something. The Knight of Pentacles reversed, the Queen of Cups reversed, the Ten of Pentacles reversed. I feel like somebody couldn't because they were distracted. I feel like they had a lot of stuff going, or they had a lot of projects going, or a lot of different things that they were trying to get done, or trying to get out of the way, and they couldn't give this time. They couldn't give this love to a situation. But I feel like that time has been made. I feel like space has been made. Because either you, Libra, or whoever you're dealing with has decided what is a waste of time and what is not. And either you or someone's coming to you wanting to be forgiven for wasting this time. And I feel another card on I apologize, forgiving. Oh, yeah, so that's crazy. I just saw these same cards at the bottom of the deck, and each one of them was in opposite position. So the Queen of Cups was reversed, the Ten of Pentacles was reversed, and the Seven of Cups was upright. So now that's telling me you've made this decision, or this person has decided on what's important to them, like choosing. Like there's no more illusion. I want this. This is what we're doing. And then the Queen of Cups. This is what I'm passionate about. This is what I love. I want to give my love to. And then the Ten of Pentacles. Like this is the opportunity finally multiplying and coming to fruition for you, your family, like everybody. They're like, this is what I want. I've wasted time, and enough time has been wasted. So let's make some decisions. Let's start putting some things in place so that we can see the results that we're looking for. And I feel like you are. Nice. Then Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. So yeah. Declining offers that are not in alignment with you want to give to yourself, or what you want to give to your brand, to your team, or to your company, to your group that you're leading. I feel like you're changing traditions, or you're changing contracts, or you're changing ideas, or exchanging sharing ideas. And creating partnerships, like long-lasting partnerships, like the foundation for with the Hierophant. But yeah, we're gonna leave that. Let's pull an advice card for you, Libra. This feels good though. I like this. I like this, and I don't feel like any time was wasted. Like I feel like we definitely learned from everything. So if you do feel like you wasted your time when it comes to like reorganizing your thoughts, and those thoughts come back up, or whenever you get triggered by something, just turn that pain into a way to power yourself or empower yourself. And like people say all the time, use your failures as a way someone else, or to show someone else. Because that being of service to others is what ultimately makes others love you, or be connected because they're like, damn, oh my god, like felt like my life was over. And the answers you need are coming, and you are good enough. So yeah, you don't have to feel like a loser, or this person that you're let them know that they don't have to feel like a loser. They don't have to feel like they've wasted their time, or they wasted your time, or shit's not going right. And I feel like it is, but you just have to communicate. especially in this Gemini energy. You got Gemini energy strong. So you could be dealing with the Gemini, or you maybe just needing to embody Gemini energy. But the answer is you need her coming, and you are good enough. Bottom of the deck, a personal issue reaches resolution. So yeah, I feel like you're clearing out what does not belong to you. Letting that shit go. Forgiving yourself, forgiving others, knowing that you're good enough and moving forward to this Ten of Pentacles energy, this Queen of Cups energy, really deciding on what's important to you and what means the most to you. So that is what I have for you, Libra. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Subscribe to the channel, turn notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. If you have personal, you already know information for that is in the description box below. So until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.